subscribe. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel JNTUH Yulpana. So today is the last lecture of this unit 4. Okay, we will learn about universal design. It is a very easy topic. Already we have covered it. Multimodal interaction. Universal design is nothing but we have to design the product or the system to be usable by all the people to the greatest extent possible and without the need of for specialized design. Okay, we have to build a system in such a way that it should be used by everyone. Okay, there are different principles for the universal design. The first one is equitable use. Equitable use means it should be designed in a way that it is useful to all the users. For example, same website is accessible for all. Okay, next one is flexibility in use. That means it should support different user preferences like multi-input methods. I should be able to talk to it, I should be able to chat with it, or flexibility means it should be same in both the mobile phone and the laptop, like that. Okay, it should be flexible. Next one is simple and initiative use. That means it should be easy to understand. Example, it should have clear instructions. Next one is perceptible information. Perceptible information means information should be communicated effectively, like text, audio, visuals. Okay, it should be very effective, it should be clear. Next one is tolerance of error. Tolerance of error means it should minimize the hazards and errors. Okay, like undo option, redo option, it should be able to have that. Next one is low physical effort. Low physical effort means it should require minimal effort, like easy navigation and all. Next one is size and shape for approach and use. That is, it should be suitable for all users. Example, accessible layout. It should have a grid layout, box layout, and all. Okay, these are the different principles for universal design. Now the last topic is multimodal interaction. Multimodal interaction is a very easy topic. Okay, multimodal interaction is a system that allows users to interact using more than one input or output mode simultaneously or interchangeably. Okay, we should be able to give input or take output okay, using the different modes. It's called as multimodal. We should be able to interact with the system using different mode. It refers to the interaction between the user and the system using multiple modes of communication. It might be a voice or a touch or a gesture or a vision. Okay, it enhances. What will happen if you use multimodal interaction? It will enhance the user experience by allowing the users to interact in a natural and a flexible ways. Now let's see what are the modes of interaction. There are two modes. One is input mode and another one is output mode. In input mode, like keyboard, mouse, touch, voice, gestures. Okay, touch like touch screens, voice is speech input, gestures, hand and body movements, eye tracking. Output mode is nothing but speakers, visual, text, graphics. Audio is speech, in haptic vibrations, touch feedback, and all. These are the modes of interaction between the human and the system. Examples like smartphone. If I take a smartphone, it has touch plus voice plus gestures, right? So this is about multimodal interaction. Or if I talk about virtual assistants, also voice interaction I have. For example, ATM machines also I have touch plus visual display. Gaming systems I have a gesture plus motion control. These are called as modes of interaction. Next, there are type of mode. These are modes of interaction. Here, types of multimodal interaction is sequential interaction and a simultaneous interaction. Here, by name only, we can say that sequential interaction means different modes used one after the other. Okay, typing then speaking. Okay, one after the other. Different modes used one after the another is called as sequential. Simultaneous interaction means multiple modes used at the same time. For example, voice command and gesture both will be done in the same time is called as simultaneous interaction. This is about multimodal interaction. Thank you all for watching. This is the last topic of this unit. Stay tuned for next unit. The clear notes of this unit is provided in the description. Thank you all for watching. Thank you.